Today we're going to show you how to clean Roomba's vacuum brushes using a dog brush. It's a trick I stumbled upon by accident, but it happens to also work on rug scrubber brushes. So basically what you're going to do is you take a dog brush like this, and this is the kind that you squeeze and it gets rid of the hair. But you basically you start combing out the brush. And you turn on the Dyson or the vacuum of your choice. And keep progressing around. Until you get all of the hair off. And you'll know when to stop whenever you don't collect as much of this stuff. Daddy's cleaning the Roomba. My big helpers.
Daddy, Roomba is kind of
It doesn't look like we got much left. I think we're done. I'll clean the rest of that later, but this video is about cleaning the brush and getting all the stuff out of it. Works on any vacuum brush or any rug scrubber brush.